everybody, it's a beautiful day, the summer is here and I'm super excited because Pharmanex is just about to launch a brand new exciting product, some new vegan protein shakes, and they're being launched on the 23rd of June. They'll be available from then, but I'm excited because I've already got a preview package to check out, so let's get into it. Okay, some of the things that I really love already from reading about these shakes before I've even tried them are as follows. 19 grams of protein per serving. Each serving is 25 grams. So these are half-kilo bags, and so there's 20 servings in a bag. Now they're vegan. These are vegan shakes. So 61 to 63% of the protein in here is from pea, and 31% is from brown rice. The reason that one of them is slightly lower, that's the chocolate one, is because the cocoa powder also contains protein, and that makes up the difference, and of course there isn't any of that in the vanilla. Each one of these contains 4 ingredients only. That is absolutely incredible, only 4 ingredients, and that is pea protein, brown rice protein, stevia extract for sweetening, the best artificial sweetener there is. In fact, it's not even artificial, it's from a leaf, it's natural, but it's just not sugar, 0-calorie sweetener that's healthy, and either the natural vanilla flavouring and the cocoa flavouring. That's it. Yeah, 4 ingredients, that's amazing. What else have we got here? So the packaging. So this is 100% biodegradable. So that is amazing. We're thinking about the environment here. So environmentally, it's not animal protein, it's plant protein. And the packaging here is completely biodegradable. It's made in the UK. That's really awesome news. €1 from every single packet of the V-Shake is sent to ELA, which is a charity. That's the European Leukodystrophies Association. So this is in keeping with so much of what this company does, being a force for good. Lots of different products have a portion of the purchase price going to different initiatives, different charities, different organisations to make a positive impact in the world. So from the vegan side of things, from the environmental packaging side of things, from the air miles and transportation, these are made in the UK side of things, and also with €1 from every single pack going to this good cause as well. There are so many things to love about these before we even rip a packet open and get stuck into it. So that's what we should do. So recommends to use half a litre of cold water and mix up your 25 gram portion in here. So I have already chilled some water, so let's go and grab that. Okay, so I've washed up my shaker bottle. I've grabbed the chilled water from the freezer. I brought my scales with me so that we can get this right first time, measurement wise. So let's start off with putting half litre of water in. Okay, that's almost to the very, very top there. So I think what I'll do is I'll just do half of it, put the powder in, and then top it up. I'm going to go for the vanilla because it's my absolute favourite. So let's stick 25 grams in here. Okay, that's it. Okay. tastes great. It's not heavy at all, it's very light, just the right level of sweetness, just the right level of vanilla, exactly how I like it. It's amazing that there's 19 grams of plant protein in here. Totally awesome. So I would actually recommend, if you like it a bit thicker, then use less water, and if you like it just nice and very easy to just get it drunk, then as recommended 500 milliliters.